When it comes to roof repairs, we really have the ability to fix any kind of roof that's out there. We do repairs on shingle roofs, flat roofs that consist of what we consider a single-ply membrane, which is either a TPO, a PVC, or an EPDM. That's either a black or white rubber or plastic type of material. It's not plastic, but it has plastic in the rubber. And we also do repairs on modified bitumen roofs, which is a flat roof with a granulated surface. We can repair standing seam roofs or face-screwed metal roofs, wood shake roofs, slate roofs, copper roofs. Any type of roofing out there, we can definitely either repair or replace it depending on what needs to happen.